bless up for the afternoon. Yeah, this is our road check for the afternoon. It's a wet one though. Time on our road check is 1:49 p.m. Yeah, that's in the afternoon. Yeah, like I said, the road's flooded out on this end. So, you might want to be extra careful when you come this way. Yeah, that's what the road's looking like. Yeah, but anyway, the lesson for the day is you love peace. Yeah, senior man. Yeah, that's the lesson for the day.